just me a squeeze. Good morning, King.
Good morning.
See your crown here?
No, me no want my crown today. My head hurt me. You wake me up with a headache.
Me never mean to do that. Please don't make them kill me.
It's alright, it's alright. I don't no problem, man. Just next time don't wake me up so yo.
But the reason why me there,
Them ready?
them Savitala said the weed in the Ross farm.
Yeah?
Fully grown, ready for smoke.
Me ready for smoke now. Link your ass and tell him say we have a smoke session. So get everybody in our house ready for this, yeah?
Alright, cool. Me go call him and ready them up right now.
Alright, me a forward, me a go beard.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Hey.
Huh?
Me can't feel we girl.
Mother say me no feeling up my ties them.
Really? I mean you mean. That's why you don't want to lend me.
No, me don't mean. It's just that you don't know how to play with people things.
Yes, I know how to play with things.
And furthermore, me soon go home.
Mean you mean I don't want to lend me a ties, man. It's alright. Everything good. Me gonna get my ties. And you go and play with it. And me go say
I
no.
have to reach home before the street light turn on.
Really? Your mother don't know nothing. Me not go mash up your ties, them.
You can't go and vex with me. I don't care.
Move, man. You just mean. I don't want to play with your ties.
Here we go on. You see tomorrow, when I come back and play, me I go make you play with my ties them, yeah?
Alright, me don't vex no more. Go on home and then tomorrow me I come back and we are go play, yeah?
Alright, me I go home now, yeah?
Alright, bye bye, yeah? See you tomorrow. Yes! Give me $100 and me go buy food put in the house. Not even that you can do.
Alright.
Give me $100.
Alright.
Everything good.
Me daddy won't cost.
Your son just come on. Oh, so my son now. You never said that when you collect the stimulus check. Me don't tell you so me never want him already and you should have dashed him away. Me hate him more than you. Make him know me hate him more. Me hate you more than your father. You see him come out and ban and look so. Me say me hate him little gut. If him ugly because of you. In favor of you. Hey, you know your mother is a little. Hey, I don't even want to call you when me not call you in front of the boy, you know. Look a skettle, girl. I mean, I can't skettle.
Find grandma and tell grandma this.
You never said that when I did in the mall last night. All your mother do a walk and look, man, you know. Me just lucky to get catching at this, you know. Little boy, stop lying for me. One man me there with and you. Me sorry the day me ever pick you. Furthermore, me never think you are my pick me, you know. Listen to me, Mr. Man. That way having your pants to give you the right to talk to me like that. You're a boy just like him. Hey, and you don't know nothing about me, no woman. So what you gonna do? I know that come do something. If I didn't know them something, so why you gonna pick me up? Why you pick me up then? I don't know. I probably was drunk. Yo, if I never want thing you see, man. I told me no one got jail for you and a little girl. Hey, you know one of them girls out the road where you can bad up. Bright. You know what? Me gonna take my things them and me gonna left for no place. Get rid of that boy there, you know. Me fi get rid of him. You get rid of him. Why you not get rid of him now? Me don't know where you band for him. Me ask myself the same thing. Where you come for earth for? But me love you, no. You tell him say you can't take care of him. But you're gonna make a OnlyFans page. Yeah? Yo, your mother is a little skettle. Me see up on Instagram and show her body. If you did not give me money, me would make one. Me don't make no money. Things rough. Quarantine time. She make a fan page. I say name only fan page. Per internet. And I show up her body for man pay her money. And so what? Yes, skettle, mother. That's why we have the argument there. Give me money then. If you don't want to see me and do them something, then give me money then. That not so she gonna make it page, man.
Me don't need no me go run away. And don't try look for me. No.
I'll see you. Me don't know why them call you my son, you know. You don't care about my feelings, you know. Thank God me never married you. Cause me mother want me, you know. No one of them want me about her. I don't care about her. See it? No, she start with her bawling. Everything you bawl for. What? Yo, you know what? You better left out there with him too, you know. I'm going to leave the place. You don't have to tell me twice. I don't call my phone. Where's my bag? Pack up your things, them and cut. Come now, you know. Just like how him leave, I'm going to leave, so yeah? Don't call me. What? Yo, I'm on my deal. Is everybody good?
Yeah, everything good. Me there at school, them roach and I smoke session, you see it?
I tell you.
Oh, you can pass on the spliff no more water pull to you know.
Yo, the weed that kicking us star. This out. It out. Yo, my frost off. Hey, my lip dry. Aye. You see after I done smoke that spliff of fire, I go put it on for the Empress. Fire want you. You can't go and have sex with the Empress. You know breed already, my youth. Now watch your face, youth. I still clap it in here. I want to make sure the whole of them youth they are eye own when they born, you know. The whole of them have to follow don't look like I. Fire, you know see me? Fire. Man not try to violate your thing. You do what you do already. I am no vex one. Me no vex. I joke yeah. I hear woman. Blow. You see over the quarantine thing, yeah? I be R&B, I listen to enough fire. I make love a night time fire. But man no make love my youth. I be a cartel me listen to a ram up our wall. Take body girl. You think me easy? I can't make love to them girl. I want to tell you. You better tie our tube. Give me this iron. Take you all I weed for yourself. It all out fire. Yo, woman just stressing dog. Man, that be a problem. Woman come from the earth and come give man in a dog. What would them really do for it and pleasure? I not stress out themselves over no woman. But I not live without one. Ah, fire. Bless.
Yo, you know more while me there son, hear you no attack. And me really pick sense out of what I say. Cause right now the rest make some sense, you know.
Fire, you're right. I'm right. Oh, my baby mother, she my youth. Yo, fire, I wake up this morning and I hear ya turn up over the fire. What going over there? Let me show her vibes. You see when a girl knows you love her, she go play with her heart. True. Say man them fi stand up strong in this fire. Cause them gyal we take on for fool, you know. Me nah go jail for no woman. My lad, woman a problem. Me I tell you no woman a problem. Man, me go through them something upon a regular G. See the fire. I saw the woman them say, you can't live with them and you can't live without them fire. You can't go and listen, Ross. Hold this.
Respect.
Boy, I still a look.
Yo, me have to go start sell weed now, man. This but yo, me so come back. Hold on. Me think me have my phone a ring. Me a go over.
Chavas, where you go with this spliff? Fire, where the man have study here? Where you make him man take his spliff? Hey, me no don't smoke yet. The man take me weed and gone with it. Yeah, it's a great fire. Yo, I have a home here.
Me say me so come, man.
Fresh. Some cool like icy, cool like breeze. Chain round my neck, make your girl start sneeze. Gucci cologne, make your girl strip tease. Yo, me clean like Lysol, fresh like Febreze. Fresh. Who fresh with this? Swag too hard, yo, me make for this. Man cool, like 10 Guinness. Yo, me cologne a kick, yo, she can't resist. Fresh. Who fresh with this? Swag too hard, yo, me make for this.